Well, I think from a consumer standpoint, it's very exciting to see the enormous range of options that you now have, right? There's such an abundance of EV manufacturers that are available, so many different models, so many options. So I think that is great from a consumer standpoint. I think it's also fantastic to see the level of technological integration that you have between your communication devices, for example, and the vehicle. And obviously, if we look at, for example, autonomous driving, it's also exciting to see that in a space where you have to have long commutes, autonomous driving will add a lot of convenience also to consumers. And I think overall, I think it's a very positive development from a consumer standpoint.